This is a final video to fix controller lag and no rest for the wicked on PC. Are you tired of your controller responding late or feeling sluggish while you play? This usually happens because of outdated drivers or wrong game settings. Most tutorials on YouTube show long, confusing steps that are hard to follow and take too much time. But today, I'll show you a secret trick that makes your controller work perfectly with just a few clicks. It's simple, fast, and anyone can do it. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below, and I'll make one just for you. Stay tuned to Rex's for easy gaming fixes that actually work.